Welcome all dear student of TYBC physics class. In previous lecture we studied variable and variable declaration. Now in this lecture we are going to see some input and output functions. In computer program there are three different important functions. First one is reading the data, second one is processing the data, and third one is writing the data. Now we have to see the methods of providing data. There are basically two methods of providing data. First one is to assign value of variable through assignment statement like a is equal to 7, b is equal to 8 and so on. And second one is use of input function. Students, C library of input function. C has library of input and output functions. For example, scanf, get, char, gets, get, ch. Like this, there are many input functions. Also, there are some output function. For example, printf, puts, putchar. Like all these functions are output functions. Now, we are going to see input function in details one by one. First input function is scanf function. This is first input function. Note that when we write or when we provide the data to computer through this statement, one thing should be remembered that each character should be in a lower case, that is small alphabets. The input data can be entered in the computer by means of scanf function. This function can be used to enter any combination of numerical value, single character or string data. Now we have to see the syntax of this scanf statement. Syntax means method to write the method to write the scanf function. Scanf in bracket into double inverted comma control string argument 1, argument 2, argument 3, argument n, and lastly termination is must. Okay. Now here control string refers to string contains certain required formatting information, and argument 1, argument 2, argument 3 up to argument n are arguments that represents individual data items. For example, if we want to supply integer data, then int I. Okay. If we supply real number to the computer, then float a. Where integer, float, these are the data type. What type of data is there? That is stored by this keyword to compiler. And I, a, these are the variables. Suppose we want to supply a single character, then char, char, d. Suppose you want to supply or provide only single character like d to computer, then such type of data can be entered through this function. Now when we supplied or declare the variable, then how it is accepted or how it is read by the computer. For this purpose, scanf, if data type is integer, then we have to write %d, then %i. Now if we supply this type of data, we already declared the data is real number, and here scanf percentage into double inverted comma f and ampersand a. Remember that termination is must. If we supplied character, single character data, then scanf in bracket percentage c ampersand d. What is difference between these first three and last three? First three are the variable declaration. What type of variable we provide, that tells to compiler through these three statement. Here data is integer type, here data is float type, here data is single character type. And with the help of these statement, that is scanf percentage in bracket percentage d into double inverted comma and I. Through this statement, computer read the data which is supplied by integer data type. Through this statement, computer read the data like float a, and through this statement, computer read the data which is single character. Now argument, these are the arguments. Arguments refers to pointer that indicate the address. Okay. See here, ampersand I. This is called ampersand. And this is an operator or a pointer that indicates the address of data item within the computer memory. When the variable is declared like integer I, then memory location in the memory is allotted to the variable, and the ampersand character, this character is address operator. This is address operator in C. It returns the address in memory of variable it acts on. Now control string. Control string is very important. Control string consists of individual group beginning with percentage sign. Individual group beginning with percentage sign, followed by conversion character for a data item. This I, A, D are the conversion type of data item. Within control string, multiple character. Here we supply only single character, or here we can put only single character. Rather than this, if we declared multiple variable like I, J, K, here we declare three type of integer variable, and computer can read this value of three variable which is allotted in memory location through scanf statement. Scanf percentage D, percentage D, percentage D. This is the control string. There are three percentage D, that is each for a single variable. Suppose first percentage D is for integer type I variable, second is for J, and third one is for J. Note that these variables or these control string are separated by white space. Okay. And now we have to also give the address through address operator of the memory location in the memory of computer, that is ampersand I, ampersand J, ampersand K. Now through this statement, computer can read the variable data variable which is supplied by the user already declared by integer I, j, k. Okay. Now, some commonly used conversion character. These are the conversion character. I already told. This is for percentage %d or percentage %d. This conversion character always start with percentage with followed by a percentage character. If data type is pure integer number or single decimal integer, then you can write percentage %d or percentage %i. This is the option for this. If we declare the data type as a floating point, then rather than this, if variable type of variable is a float, then rather than percentage %d, we have to put the percentage %f. This is the conversion character. If single character is there, then for single character percentage %c. If string, that is group of characters, then percentage %s, small s. These are the frequently used conversion character. Suppose if we supply the variable whose type is octal, then percentage %o. This is the conversion character. If we supplied unsigned decimal, then percentage %u. If we supplied if we declare the data type for hexadecimal number, then percentage %x. If in the variable declaration there is exponent, then we have to put the conversion character like E or percentage %E. If the sign value is either in E or F, then we can write percentage %g or percentage %uppercase. All these are the conversion character which are commonly used for data items. Okay. Now, second input character is getChar. getChar. Remember that in first type, that is scanf, we provide string data or multiple variable. Now, the single character can be entered in a computer using C library function like getChar. If we want to enter a single character like D, A, X, whatever it may be, but the data type is single character, then at that time we have to use the getChar function. The getChar returns a single character for a standard input device. We know that we always supply the data through standard input device, and such type of device is keyboard. If we supplied the data through keyboard by pressing a single key, then at that time getChar function, which is input type of function, is very useful. This function does not require any type of argument, like we know that scanf. We already see that scanf and percentage %d and %a, whatever it may. This is the argument and control string. But when we supply a single character through keyboard, at that time we use this input function. This function does not require any argument through a pair of brasa or pair of empty parentheses, and that must be followed by getChar. Follow word getChar. Syntax of getChar function, that is method to write the getChar function in program, is character always write in lowercase. Then variable name. This is the variable name or variable, and is equal to get char pair of parenthesis and then termination. This is the syntax for get char function. When this statement is encountered, then a computer waits until the key is pressed. Then assign this character a value to get char function. A get char is used on RHS of the get char statement. In terms, assign a variable name on the left. Example, we have, for example, example very simple, char d. We want to supply a single character like d to computer, then this d must be right on LHS of the statement, and the function get char is right on the RHS of the get char function. Okay. Now, one more function is there, get ch, third input function, get ch. This is also a input function. Get ch is similar to get char, but it waits for key press, after which it returns immediately. It reads a character without echo to screen. For example, again char c, single character, then c is equal to get ch. Okay. Now, last input function is gets. This is input function number 4. The function gets receives the string from the standard input device like keyboard, while puts, which is the output function, we will see on after some time. Output function string to standard output device on screen. Standard output device of computer is screen, and standard input device of computer is keyboard. The function gets receives the string from the standard input device, while puts output function that string to the standard output device, that is monitor. If input have a blank space, if we supply a input that is a string, and suppose Virat Kohli, this is a string data, but this there is a blank space or white space or tab between these two words Virat Kohli, and if we use the input function scanf to provide this type of data. For this purpose, we have to write %s, which is control string, or which already see before few minutes, and ampersand name, and with Virat Kohli, character name 50. We supply, we declare the variable that is required, the size of variable or character is 50, and this type of, we want to supply this type of data. For this purpose, we declare the variable like this. We again, I am again write this character name and size of character 15. We declare, after the execution program, we want to supply the data like this. and for this purpose we declare the variable like char, name and size of character. And such type of character, when we enter through keyboard, then this such type of character is written by, is reading by this statement scanf. Okay. And this is the address operator, which when we supply the data type like Virat Kohli, and this is allotted to a memory location in a memory of computer. Then this is when we supply the data through this statement, computer is unable to read the data after the blank space. Computer read only the data up to this Virat and then blank space. Computer is suppose that there is no further data because due to blank space. And this is the problem. And we want to supply the data like Virat Kohli with blank space. During such time, if this function is unable to do this, then during this time we use the function gets, which is overcome the incorrectness or the inability of scanf function. For this purpose, consider a simple program, main. I think this is the first program, main. Then before this, first has include stdio.io, stdio.th. This is header file. We already studied this main. Then I already told character, name, size 50. Through this statement, computer user declare the variable, then CLR, SCR. This is the clear. This is through this statement, computer clear the screen during every execution. Okay. Then printf. Through this statement, we supply the data. Printf, print file. Enter name. Scanf percentage yes ampersand name. Then again printf. We want to display this output on screen. Printf. For this purpose, what is the type of data that should be declared here? Again, percentage or name is equal to percentage yes and simply name. Through this statement, we can enter the data through keyboard and supply data which we enter that can be read by the computer through this statement, and through this statement computer display the data after execution. And get ch, this function hold the data on screen until we press the next key. Then this. What is the drawback of this program? If when this program is run and execute, computer asks us enter name like this. If we put here Virat Kohli, the output is only Virat, because computer is supposed that there is no data further due to this blank space. Now we want to overcome this. Then for this purpose, rather than scanf, gets function is useful. Okay. Okay. If we write here, again we want to see this program in output function. So now we are going to see some output functions one by one. This is about input function. Now we want to see the output function. First output function is printf. This is first output function. The printf function is used to formatted output and use as a control string, which is made of a series of format specified to govern how it prints output or output the value of the variable or constant required. The more common format specifiers are as follows. Again, like this, just we see in scanf function. If data type is integer type, then in this statement also we want to use the control string, and this control string is called format specifier. If the data type is integer data type, like integer a is declared by the user, then when such type of data is supplied to computer, and computer should have to read through scanf function, but when we enter such type of data, at that time we have to use some format specifier. What type of format of data is there? Then during that time, data is integer type, then again %d or %i for integer. If data type is real number, that is declare float f or float area, then during this time format specifier is %f. If single character, then %c. For a string, %s. Okay. Just like scanf function, there are many types of commonly used formats specifiers in printf functions. Double, long double, and so on. Now, for this purpose, consider a simple example of program. Again, second program, main has include stdio.eh. Then main integer, what type of data? Integer I only here, and I is equal to 5. The value is value of variable, data of type of variable is integer type, and here we assign the value 5. This is fixed. Now CLR, SCR, this is the common statement in every program for clear the screen. Okay. Then printf, %d and I. Here there is not necessary to give the address of the memory, because this variable is already defined here, and compiler did not necessary to go in memory to check the memory. Okay. Okay. Now, when through this statement, computer display the output of the program like I is equal to 5, but there is a echo on the screen, and we want to see this output on the screen after the execution of the program up to certain key is expressed further. So, for this purpose, we want to use getCS. Through this statement, computer can hold the output till we express the enter key or any other key. Okay. This is the statement. Okay. Now, like scanf, we can enter a single statement, or if we declared multiple type of statement of a single or similar type of data called array. Array is nothing but a group of similar type of variables. And if we declared multiple variable in a single statement, then if we declared like this, we assign 5 to I, 7 to j and 8 to k. Okay, 8 to k and terminate. Then what will be the change in printf statement? The change is like this: %d space %d space %d, then I, j, k, and output will be I is equal to 5, j is equal to 7, k is equal to 8, and this output remains on the screen until we press any key on the keyboard. Okay. Then second output function is putchar. This is a single character. Through this function, single character can be displayed using C library function like putchar. It transmits a single character to standard output device if we supplied the data, single character data through getChar function. And data suppose character D. We supplied the data like single character. Through this statement, computer can read, and this statement transmit the single character data on standard output device, that is monitor. And here we supplied the data through standard input device, that is keyboard, and data supplied is declared here, and that supplied data is read by the computer through this statement and displayed or transmit on the screen through this output statement putchar. Syntax is very simple. Our method of write this output function is very simple. Putchar is equal to, then character variable termination. What is the difference between getChar and putchar? In getChar, the function is always write on RHS of the statement, and in output function putchar, the putchar function is always write on LHS of the statement or statement. Okay. Then suppose we want to supply a single character n. We want to supply a single character. Suppose answer is no, and for this purpose, if answer is no, then computer should transmit the character n on the screen, and if output is yes, then computer should transmit the result on the screen like y. Then answer is equal to n, putchar answer. This is the example of putchar. Now we want to see some small program in order to understand this putchar function. Again, has include, I can write here main, then character data, character D, then CLR, SCR. Okay. Then printf, we supplied the data through this statement, printf percentage. What will be the specifier? Specifier is, or simply enter, first enter into double enroll. This is control string, enter name. After the execution of this statement, there is a word computer name on the screen, and we want to supply the data through keyboard. Then C is equal to get char. Okay. When we enter a single key like D, or we supply the data to computer through keyboard like a single character D, and that is supplied through the statement, and that D, single D character is read by this statement, that is input statement, and print through the statement. This is formatted output statement. Computer can transmit, okay, the character enter by the character you enter, or character enter by you is, okay, and put char get ch, and lastly this is the body of the program. Okay. Now again remember, through this statement user declare the data type of supplied data. This statement clear the screen. Through this statement we can enter the data, and computer read the data by through this statement. Then computer give the output through this statement, and computer transmit the single character on the screen through this character, and this character hold the output until any key is pressed. Okay. Then last output function, puts function. The function put works exactly opposite the gets, or the function puts exactly opposite to gets. We have to see what is the work, what this function do, but this function works oppositely this function. The output string on the screen. Okay. The example again, we are going to see the same program which we studied before few minutes. Main, body, then character, name, size of the character is 15, then CLR, SCR, then printf. We want to printf enter name, then gets name, and puts name. Puts name, gets ch, program here. Output, when this program is executed, computer asks, or there is enter name and colon. When the execution of program is completed, we can see the word on the screen, enter the name. When we enter the string type of data like this, Virat Kohli, then output of the program is Virat Kohli. The lacuna coming in scanf statement, if we use rather than this statement, if we use the scanf and printf function, and after the execution of program, the word issue we seen on the screen of computer is enter name. When we enter the data, string data, Virat, white space, blank space or tab, Kohli, then output is only Virat. This is the lacuna of scanf statement. But this lacuna is overcome by this get statement. Okay. In the next lecture, we will see the formatted output and input statement. Okay. We shall stop here. Have a good day. Thank you.